Analysts believe that the decline of US stocks yesterday was a minor retracement, but not a trend reversal. On Tuesday, the stock market was weighed down by some headwinds. Little-known hedge fund Axios Capital, running assets worth $20 billion, went bankrupt. This inflicted losses to four bank giants such as Nomura Holding, Credit Suisse, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley. Yields on US Treasuries soared to 1.7%. The benchmark US stock indexes closed in the red yesterday. Both the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 shed 0.3% intraday. The Nasdaq is on track to close the month with losses for the first time since November. High-tech stocks have been trapped in the downtrend as investors are unwilling to buy shares of large high-tech companies amid inflated yields of US Treasuries. Today, the Dow Jones fell to 33,070 points. Experts project the index to climb to 33,300 points. Meanwhile, the US dollar is picking up steam faster than expected. Yesterday, it sharply jumped to 93.40, still trading in the corridor of 93.00 to 93.60. So the index reached the strongest level since November 2020. The greenback owes its strength to progress in the US mass vaccination, investors' confidence in the rapid economic recovery in the United States, and the crash of Arcadis Capital that forced investors to close risky bets. If the US non-farm payrolls reveal robust employment, the US dollar could extend its winning streak. Now its index is facing strong resistance at near 94.30, so analysts foresee a pullback. The US dollar is tightening its grip on the Canadian rival. A downtrend in oil prices pushed the USD CAD pair to the highest level in 3 months. The loonie could find some support from Canada's GDP. Besides, Canada reports upbeat data on retail sales and rising trade deficit. Now the currency pair is trading at near 1.2620. Bitcoin made another effort to surpass the milestone mark of $60,000 overnight, but the effort was in vain. The price again retreated to $58,000 per token. This retracement was caused by technical reasons without any fundamental background. Recently, crypto investors prefer cold storage of bitcoins, so they transfer their assets from Coinbase exchange to cold wallets. Such moves of large Bitcoin holders confirm that they are betting on a further growth of the most popular cryptocurrency. At the same time, the peers want to minimize losses, trying to sell the token before a downward correction, which is not in their cards yet. Bitcoin is still arousing with interest among investors. High demand paves the way to the historic high of $60,000. Perhaps the number one cryptocurrency will make a successful attempt to top this milestone in the nearest days. If the price holds firmly above, the way will be open to fresh historic highs. According to experts at the large American bank JP Morgan, the losses from Arcadis Capital bankruptcy are estimated at $10 billion. However, the US banking sector proves its resilience. Market participants alert to employment data for the United States. Today, ADP National Employment Report revealed slightly worse than expected data. Tomorrow, the United States Labor Department is due to release a weekly update on unemployment claims. Last week, the report showed that the number of jobless Americans decreased to 3.8 million. Now, investors are puzzling out whether the US labor market is actually on track to recovery. The non-farm payrolls will help to make a conclusion. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.